Today I'm a transgender, queer, psychic, prophet, shaman, angel, messenger, reincarnated goddess. I'm going to talk about how in America they don't think it's fair if people have special contracts with the Almighty God. So I'm the fate vanity, and my other name is Athena, and I'm reincarnated in America right now. And I have the #1 in style contract in the heavens. I'm an angel or a goddess you would worship for fashion advice. I'm the goddess Vanity Fair magazine worships. And I'm reincarnated in America right now, and I'm being abused to look as bad as possible. Fashion models are trained to shave their heads bald if they're being abused to look stupid. I don't really care. I have a life. Only losers would run around and try to make somebody look stupid all the time. If a housewife has a #1 in style contract in the heavens, then I don't care. And that's the end of today's. I'm a transgender, queer, psychic, prophet, shaman, angel, messenger, reincarnated goddess.